London would do. London kill zone at 11:30. London session at 12:30. No major news. Okay, then that's fine. Since we have the Asian high, London might take out the high and drop. Let's see. Above the Asian high, do we have any key levels that we could look into? On the 4 hour, we had a resistance. Right, we had this clean resistance. What do we have on the H1? Yeah, can be refined to this area. See, a strong resistance throughout this entire range. Now let's wait. Okay, let's wait for the market to open, take out Asia, and then let's see. This, of course, don't even bother about this position because we have already paid ourselves. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Runs above Asia. Timing is not good, right? 15 minutes before and the New York is it runs above Asia. So let's see. Yeah, we can see a very small rejection. Can you see that? A very small rejection. Doesn't look very good to enter though. So let's wait for one more candle and then enter. Let's see. Yeah. Now it looks good. We have this engulfing candle. Can you see that? Okay, so what we could do is enter right away because this is EU, right? Stop loss is anyway going to be very tight. See, can have like, let's say 7.5 pips. And where can we target? The Asian low, because buy stops to sell stops, we have equal lows, and then we're getting like a 1:3, right? We'll get like a 1:3, or else if you want a better risk to reward ratio, what you could do is maybe place the entry a little higher, let's say somewhere around here, maybe somewhere here, so that way we include this area, these areas. Yes, this could be a strong zone. You want to make your risk to reward better, and do something like this. Then you can even make your stop loss big. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Okay, now the main reason I did this was because I told you, right, when it comes to this SMC concept, so into these forex pairs, these imbalances and stuff is important. So in here, there might be an imbalance. Okay, so that might get filled. We might have a chance. So let's see. Yeah, there we go. Tap right into it. Okay, so spreads will of course tap us in. You don't have to worry about that. Okay, break below this, and I'll move it to break even. This one plays out. We're having a 1:2, almost 5. Yeah, break even. Now I'm at break even. Let's see what they're going to do. Come down. Calm down. Okay. Not yet. Not yet. See, this is what we hate, right? This is what I really hate. Okay, we could have taken out of it right there. That's it. Okay, that's the trade. They're creating more liquidity. Can you see that? Equal load for the Asian session, but we're done. Okay, we are done. We have like 4.7%. More than enough. New York has also opened. So New York might easily wipe this out. Okay, they might just easily do that. So let's wait and see what they're going to do. Oh, the bullish momentum from this trade, see, from this support kicking in now. That's nice. I'm not going to place any entries here, okay? I don't care because we had a good trade. That's more than enough, okay? But this one, yes, this is a type of a rejection. Would you risk 1% each? This, of course, I will risk 1% for sure. Okay, this one I'll risk 1%. This one I did not. Okay, for this also I would have risked 1%, so good. Oh, it's dropping. I think they're coming all the way down here. Let's see. Yeah, big rejection, sweeping this liquidity. Yeah, let's wait for this candle to close, the last candle of the day, like that, and it's over. Okay, that day is over. So we can go to the weekly time frame now. We delete all of this. We can go to the weekly because it's a new week, and then decide what to do. Okay, on the weekly, what can we see here on the weekly time frame? Right, we can see that weekly is currently in a bearish storyline. Right, weekly is currently in its bearish storyline. So yeah, they can take this low out. That's one thing we know, right? They can take out the weekly low, previous weekly low. And if we are going to look for sells, now for sell, of course, I would wait for this same zone. Okay, I'll wait for the same zone because even on the weekly, you can see how how strong that zone is, right? We mapped this out on the weekly, I think, see? All these rejections. Okay, so we have that on the weekly time frame. So I'll have the same zone marked out for the sell. Go to the daily. What's daily doing? Daily, of course, not very clear price action, right? It's not showing us very clear price action on the daily time frame. Yeah, it has like a doji. Little doji is created there. Yeah, I think they might do this, right? They might just step into somewhere here and then move down. Mark these ones out as well. Daily. You can see the rejections, right? You can see a few rejections here. Yeah, I don't trust these long wicks though, but let's see. Finding it into this resistance. Anyway, we'll wait for Asia to win, then let's decide. Okay, I'm not very sure of the daily direction, but I know that this low will be taken out pretty soon. Okay, so let's see. Let's wait for Asia to win and then decide what to do. One. Okay. They just broke through it. I think they are trying to reach up into this resistance here. Can you see that? Maybe they're trying to move up into this resistance. Yeah, this long wick, both of these could get wiped out. Because yeah, now this trade right here, this one should be running good if he had some runners running. See, this one should be running good, maybe into this area. And you see why the reversal is coming from there, right? Because cleared out daily liquidity, like I pointed out. Okay, they have cleared out a lot of liquidity on a higher time frame. So yes, there's a big chance of them moving up here itself. But until it happens, we can't say. Nobody can say that. Okay, this is where it's going to move from here to here. No, nobody can say that. All we can do is just watch and wait. Okay. So on the here, of course, I do not think we'll have any good opportunities. Let's wait for the London session, 11:30 and 12:30. I'm really not sure what to do. Okay, because Asia made a big move to the upside, so I'm not really sure what to do. Wait and see. Okay, starting to drop. I haven't deleted this because buys could happen from inside of this zone, right? Buys could happen. Came down. This was a strong daily resistance, so it could turn into a good strong support. But building up more liquidity, can you say? Here, we have liquidity here. They can easily move into that. Let's see. Have a little breakout on the line chart here. Yeah, but it's not a very high quality position. You can see this, right? These, of course, we can trust because liquidity is being wiped out and then the trades are coming, right? Liquidity gets wiped out and then we take the trade. Same thing here. Liquidity wipes out, then the reversal. Here for the buy, no liquidity or anything was cleared out. So we can't be very sure of the buy. So I will wait. Okay, I don't know. I do not want to just blindly pull the trigger. Okay, so I'll wait. Yeah, maybe now this low could get wiped out. We have a good engulfing candle. Time isn't very good. We are Q zone 4:30, session at 5:30. See what they're going to do at this time of the day. A little slow, right? Price action is a little slow. Can't help it. And also, why do you think this is slow? Right? Because we saw how market structure was bearish, storylines were bearish, everything was bearish, and then they're trying hard to maybe climb into this area here. Right? This right here is the corrective move. So corrective moves are always slow. But maybe once it taps here and gives us confirmations, from there onwards, we might be able to see some good trades, right? Maybe. So let's see. I think that is why they are slow. As of now, I don't know what to do. So let's see. Yeah. Wait for the timing. Is London lunch. Okay, there we go. New York kill zone opens 4:30. A strong bearish candle, no buy signals or whatever. Okay, we can see a strong bearish candle. Okay, followed by a small bullish candle. Still, all of this might be liquid. This is the London low, Asian low. Let's see. Comes down. Little doji, but they have broken through our support now. Now we're gaining momentum. Can you see that? Right now we are gaining momentum from inside of the support. Timing is also perfect. Some liquidity is also wiped out. The London low is taken out. We had some random swing low here that is also taken out. And this was the daily resistance that is now broken and turning into a support. Right? We are trying to move up. I think we have a buying opportunity here. Maybe from somewhere here. This left shoulder. I'm going to place a buy. Stop loss below this. And I'm going to target all the way up here. Up here. Yeah, let's see. Because Asia gave us a big pump to the upside, right? They might not take out the Asian low today. So let's see. Might get stopped out. Let's see. Nothing. Okay. Starting to move up. Maybe can even move it to break even after this, but I think moving it to break even after this high would be better. Okay. Yeah, let's move it to break even right after the break of this high. Okay, there we go. Candle closing. We are at break even. Okay, so you can see where it's coming from, right? From the same daily support we drew. Okay, now it's starting to move down. We were in a little drawdown. That's fine. As long as stop loss is safe, drawdowns are okay. Okay, maybe that was a re-entry. See, that's a break even, and now it looks like they're trying to go. Yeah, see. This happens, okay? This happens. These are just normal stuff. Can't help it. But it was a good trade, right? We got stopped out at break even. That's fine. Well, there it moves straight into the targets. Right? It's straight into the target from the daily support. Why won't you enter
Can
off
I
the
ask?
daily level? Which daily level? This one? Or this one? No. Yeah, what was your question, bro? Yes. What was the bottom one? Yeah, we could have even entered there. Okay, we could have even entered there, but I did not want to miss the trade. Okay, I did not want to miss the opportunity like we entered here. Yeah, I showed you how we entered, right? This little imbalance kind. It's same thing. Here at the time of the entry, we had like a little imbalance here. That's why I told you this left shoulder might be good. Okay, that's why I did not want to enter there. Start to move up. It was annoying. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. The entry, yeah, this entry would have been like much safer, right? This entry would have been much safer if we bought it here and our stop loss was here. Where even the risk reward would have been good, but I did not want to miss the trade, so I placed it here because the stop loss was anyway covering this. And normally, like once we get a breakout structure, these types of moves are like not that common. Okay, but it happened. It happened. Can't help it. Let's see. Okay, the day is
If
over.
two
Yeah.
if 2 points are there of breakup structure, you decided the higher one. Means, what is the
This
reason
one.
behind that? Yeah,
Yeah,
this
because
one
look at
and
this.
you. Yeah.
This like moving it to break even after this is perfectly fine. Okay, now if I delete all the drawings, now moving it to break even after this is perfectly fine. Okay, but if you look at major structure here, this is how it was created: lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Is it? So this one or this one, this was the major lower high, not this one. This is what ICT calls an intermediate term high or a short term high. Okay, but this right here is the most like the most recent major lower high, right? Lower high, lower low, lower high. This was the high that created the lows. That is why I wanted to wait until this high breaks. You can even move it after this breaks, no problem at all. But I thought this might be safer. That way we don't get this type of a move into break even, but it happened.
Okay.
That's it.
And one more question is that imbalance thing I didn't understand. Could you please once again
That's
tell?
fine, bro. Don't think of imbalances. Okay, we're not going to go into that a lot.
Okay.
Okay, imbalances are not that important. It's just that I know it, so I use it. That's it. It's not that important. Okay, so that's over. Let's wait for let's wait for the day to end. That's it. So now what is daily doing? It's also building up a lot of liquidity here. Previous day's high. Can you see? We have the previous days. Oh, you can see where the reversal is coming from, right? Just like we planned. Just what happened right here. Same thing. Same thing that happened with this price action. Right? See? Daily lows taken out and storylines and everything changed, right? Everything changed. So same exact thing is what's happening here. Liquidity swept and slowly but surely they're trying to move up into these highs here. Okay. So now that logic comes into play, the one that I taught you earlier with market structure. Now someone could argue that, okay, this is the range from up here to down here. Okay, someone can argue with that and it's completely fine. Right? It's completely fine. So, but the thing is, you can't say, okay, this is not at a discount, this is not at a premium price, so you can't ignore this level, right? You can't do that. If you go to the 4 hour, we have the range from here to here as well. Can even look at it this way. So now it is at a premium price. Okay, so that is why I'm not going to ignore this, but just in case these fail, could run above this high into a premium price. So we'll have to get ready for that as well. So I'm going to mark out a key level above this liquidity here. So what do we have? We have, well, this does not look very good. Same, we don't see clean rejections. I'm trying to include these. See, yeah. Even this, you do have one clean rejection. You can include all of this, it would be better. So maybe you can mark it out on the 4 hour time frame. Right? This refined to somewhere here. Could be a good one. See, now we include all of it. Okay, so now we're including all of it. So this, let's have it like this. Okay, just remember it is like a daily zone because you saw the rejections even on the daily time frame. See, but we marked it out on the H4. That's it. Very simple. Okay, so if this fails, I would expect the market to move into this area. Okay, so I'm not going to just assume stuff and then say, okay, it's going to move here. And this zone is not right. No, I will pay attention to this zone. If it fails, I would expect the market to go here. Okay, that's it. That is all I'm expecting. So let's see. Let's see. Wait for Asia to end and then decide what to do. So yeah, let's see. Let's wait for Asia to end. One and second one. Uh, Asia has done the job. Can you see that? Asia has itself done the job, took out liquidity from the previous day's high, and it's a storyline. Storyline is bullish. Okay, storyline is bullish, but what about the market structure? And if the storyline is bullish, what do we know? We know that the previous day's high is getting taken out. So that happened. That happened. So now storyline could turn bearish because the structure and everything was bearish. From here, they can turn bearish. Okay. So what has happened now? Liquidity is wiped out from the previous day's high. That's what I told you about the storyline, right? When the storyline is bullish, we could expect the previous day's high to get wiped out. So that is why they wiped out the previous day's high. See that? Okay, we had the buying opportunity, but it was during the Asian session. So now we have missed it. Okay. So quick question now. Once they take out this high, okay, where do you think the next, like if we are going to look for whatever a pullback or anything, where do you think it would come from exactly? Okay, because why? Nice, nice. You get the point, right? Buy stops, like safest zone which sells stops. So which means until it gets here, we have a sure sell, right? Until it gets here, now we don't care if it's going to reverse from here or not. We don't care about that. But until it gets there, we have like a sure sell, right? We have a sure sell until it gets there. So let's see. Now the next problem is where are we going to sell it from, right? That will be the next problem. Let's see. Okay, if it goes, it goes. No big deal. Looks good, this area.
1 hour you can see, I think so.
Oh no. Let's see. We have this one. We have this left shoulder. This could also be a good one because see, we have throughout this entire range, right? We had a resistance throughout this entire range. So we can have this zone marked out here. And then let's look for a trade. This will be the target, safest one. And then, yeah, you know where it's going to come next, right? Because it is reacting to a high time frame key level. So they can come all the way down into this right here. Let's target here, then we target here. Okay, so it should be good. Let's see. Wait for the timing. Timing is really important. Little, Yeah.